In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new user with a subscription to your Universe communication system. To add a user, you'll need to have administrative rights. Log into the Universe portal at selfcare.thisisuniverse.io. Hover over your username at the top right and select Swap to Administrator View from the drop-down. Next, select My Users from the top menu bar. Then Add New on the left here. Enter the user's first name, last name, and email address into the appropriate fields. You need to allocate rights to the user. As you can see here, it's possible to make another user an administrator for different functions. In this case, I'm going to make Aaron a web user with no administrative rights. Finally, select Create User. Your new user will now appear in the My Users section, and their details will be available to all users of the company's Universe account. In order to be able to make calls, a user needs to be assigned a subscription. To do this, select My Company. Then select Subscriptions here on the left-hand side. Find a subscription that's not already assigned to another user by setting the Show Not Assigned button to on. Click on the down arrow next to the subscription that you want to assign and then type your new user's name in the search bar. Find your user and click on them, and then press Confirm to assign the subscription to them. Aaron has been given the Universe 5000 subscription, which gives him all the Universe features and 5,000 minutes per month. For more how-to videos, user guides and other useful information, please visit the resources page on our website. Thank you for watching.